part.
Camilo on relationships. They're not going to work.
They're not going to work. And I think, especially with like COVID, I think I talked about this before, like especially with COVID happening, like a lot of people thought they were invincible for the longest time. They were like, oh, I'm not going to die until I'm like 85 or older because the average lifespan has gotten longer and longer with like modern medicine and shit. And then COVID hit and people are dying while they're young. They die suddenly, like they're healthy and they got COVID and died. Like it threw mortality into everybody's face, like the possibility of mortality, like an early end to their lives. It's just like, makes you want to fucking live, man. But like, it reminds you that you're going to die. We're all going to die. Memento motherfucking Mori. Like,
I don't think the Latins ever said motherfucking.
Memento motherfucking Mori.
But like, you get it.
I tattooed that on my back. I have that tattooed on my back. And then you can take that and, you know, you can either use it to get as much as you can done because you're like, oh shit, I'm going to die. Or you can use that and like, oh, I'm going to die anyway. I'm just going to live however the fuck I live, make mistakes. Try not to die, but you'll die anyway.
Oof.
Just do it. Yeah. Just do it. Everyone dies. We're all going to die. Watch TV. Like,
God.
Yeah, but also maybe it's not about the ending, but about learning. Like whenever you learn something, you have to make a mistake.
Yeah.
It's very weird to learn something before making a mistake. So I don't know. Some people some experiences are part of the process. I think your first girlfriend or boyfriend is not gonna be the last one. Like 99% sure. So
9% of the time that's not gonna work.
Yeah. Like almost every relationship in your life, like romantic relationship, will fail except the last one. So all of them are important, but not for the same reason, I think.
Damn.
And I got very dark. Very
I'm gonna yeah. It's only 10 minutes into the podcast. I'm just gonna clip that. Just like most of your relationships, like they're not gonna work.
Just that part.
Camilo on relationships, they're not gonna work.
They're not gonna work. None of
relationships
the,
are not gonna work.
And I'm like in the background, like
just gonna force the color grading to be like super high contrast.
Just deep fry it.
I'm gonna do that meme from Incredibles. Yeah, one's gonna be Camilo in a relationship, Camilo's perspective on relationships.
Yeah, with Hans Zimmer music.
Yeah. Oh my god, the Hans Zimmer
music, or like some of the analog horror like sound effects.
Yeah. Okay. So I really want to dive into this real quick. Switching topics now. Maxine, what the fuck happened last week?
Oh,
you're those lost your phone, lost your laptop. This sounds like your own version of The Hangover.
Right? Was there a tiger in your room?
I didn't lost it, but I just didn't knew where it was. I was drinking it, and around 8 p.m. All of the drink was and nothing was left. So I took the bike from someone, and I was going to one police inspector stopped me, and he was with that device which we used to check if someone is drunk or not.
Yeah, the breathalyzer.
Breathalyzer.
Yeah, breathalyzer. Yeah, that one. So he was like, blow in this, and I was like, sir, I'm telling you, I'm drunk. So he was like, no, you blow. So
I'm drunk. No. Let me decide you're drunk.
No.
That's a power trip.
I 5 times I told it I won't blow in it, but I'm telling you I'm too drunk to drive. Please charge me anything. He took me to the police station. Then some people was waiting for me for the drinks in the hostel, and they were like, "Where's Mookie?" and then they called me, "Where are you?" Then I told them that I'm in the police station. I got arrested. Then they come. So it was fucking crazy. The 1 week I was checking my phone, and I just found out I have pictures with everyone kissing them on their head with strangers.
Wow. Do you remember any of that?
No.
Damn, dude.
That sounds like a great night.
Dude, you are like living it up right now.
23-year-old me is very proud of you.
Yeah, me too. 21, 22, 23. Yeah. Around that age.
He's very proud of you.
And one more thing, I was checking that in the notes, I have read 50 people. I don't know them, who were they, but I have asked their birthdays and I have wrote them in the notes. I didn't I didn't put the reminder in the calendar, but I wrote them in the notes. So I was like, what the fuck?
Who are these people? It's like, and they like call you like next week. Hey man, like thanks for the investment of $1,000. You didn't lose money, did you?
I'm thankful that my phone was not near me. Otherwise, I would have made some I don't have cash. Most of the payments I do with my phone. So maybe that's why I was safe. I didn't have any money with me.
Oh, I mean, we were talking about this in a meeting, but it sounds like you're pulling your prank on God. God's still trying to keep watch your back. Like, I'm gonna put this phone right here, so you ain't spending too much money.
You can't respond. You can't respond to a bunch of people, but you won't spend money.
Wait, so where was your phone and your laptop?
Yeah, it was in my dome actually. But the thing happened that hostel has this common area, so I was sleeping in the common area with the workers, hostel workers, for the 7 days. So I didn't went into my dorm, so I didn't saw my phone and laptop. And after 7 days, there was some missed call from my parents and all. So I called them that I lost my phone. I have just gotten my news.
Oh, this got me curious. I don't know if did we talk about this, Max, or anyone else, like crazy drunk stories?
We've glazed over, but I don't think we recorded it.
Oh yeah, I think it was in a meeting as well.
We just had it in a meeting, yeah.
Oh,
for Bernie telling us that she was stealing people's.
That's right. Yeah, you did. Okay.
Because we were talking about taking Alex out.
Oh yeah, and getting drunk.
And getting him.
It started sharing.
Blackout Alex.
Oh yeah, I mean, Operation Blackout Alex. Well, Operation Blackout Vision Paradox will just be paradox without the vision. So,
God, there ain't no vision.
We blacked out.
And there's a puppy.
Okay. So, Rosie, you don't drink that much. You don't do the whole drunk thing, right?
No, never got drunk.
Good girl.
That's fair.
She makes great decisions.
Be responsible.
Learn from decisions.
Learn from us.
Learn from your grandparents over here.
I know. I think it's the whole thing of I like to stay in control with the things I can control.
Okay, that's fair. That's how I feel sometimes.
Yeah,
and you lose all that control.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
That's yeah.
Sorry. What is control?
Yeah, there's a certain sense of euphoria. But the sacrifices, control, and inhibition.
Yeah.
Yep. And that's how. Good.
The only reason I cook is because I feel like I'm in control of something in my fucking life.
Oh, that's a good. Okay, that's a good